Accessing your Gmail admin settings. Need to access your organization's Gmail admin settings? Let's dive into how to log into the Google Admin Console and take charge of your Google Workspace tools. Step 1. Open the Admin Console. First, grab your browser and head to admin.google.com. It's your gateway to managing everything. Step 2. Enter your admin email. Now, sign in using your admin email address. This should look something like admin@yourdomain.com. Remember, you need a Google Workspace admin account for this. Regular Gmail accounts won't cut it. Step 3. Enter your password. Next, type in your password. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that security step to continue. Step 4. Explore admin tools. Congratulations! You're in the admin console. Here, you'll find powerful tools to manage Gmail settings for your organization, add or remove users with ease, reset passwords when needed, configure email routing, spam filters, and security settings to keep everything secure. Troubleshooting tips. If you can't log in, double-check that you're using a Google Workspace admin account, not personal Gmail. Forgot your password? No worries. Just click Forgot Password on the login screen to reset it. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to another admin or Google Workspace support. Remember, logging into the Gmail admin console gives you full control over your team's email environment. Keep your access secure and monitor user permissions regularly. Secure your team's email environment today.